thunderstorm warning for northern Kent County in southwestern Michigan, southeastern Newego County in west central Michigan, western Montcalm County in central Michigan, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Grant, or near Newego, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Newego, Howard City, Grant, Cedar Springs, Croton, Sand Lake, Pearson, Coral, Amble, Truffant, Croton Heights. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
What that means, I missed it.
Conditions around the area at 7 p.m. At Ludington, it was cloudy.